What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is going to be on our G37 coupe. We're actually going to be wrapping the dashboard in suede, so stay tuned. Alright guys, I apologize for not uploading for a minute now. I wanted to have a good video to post. I didn't want to put no filler videos or whatever it's called. This is a really cool one. It's going to be probably a two-part series. So one is actually wrapping. This is actually a spare dashboard we have. We're going to be wrapping it in suede. We're actually going to be repairing it first. So you see here, those little spots there, we're going to see it there. We're gonna repair those, so then we'll be able to lay the glue and then wrap it in suede. And then the second part will be the deinstall the dash we have in the car right now, and then putting this one in. So it'll be step-by-step type of thing. But this is the thing I've been wanting to do on a number of clients' cars, but never had the force to go with it, you know, and offer it. But let's see how this one goes, and let's see how the installation of the dash goes, and then hopefully it could be a service that I provide. But let's start off with the dashboard, repairing the dashboard. All right, so this thing is pretty cool. Check this out. It's as flush already as the dashboard. So what I've learned so far of using it is that you grab a piece. Let's see, let's do it. For instance, let's do it here. This thing is really falling out. This piece, that needs a big chunk right here. So basically you pour it on and you mold it to the actual dashboard. Smooth it out and even goes onto the cracks. I don't know if you can see it, but there was a crack that went around here. You put it on and then you spread it, you can say, and it actually fills in the crack. Really nice. So we did that there, we did a little bit here, we just smooth it out a little bit. This part here needs a whole patch, but basically the point of this is to get all the indentations. When you put the suede on, it comes off very easily. This is better condition than mine's. I'll show you a bit how mine's looks, but we're gonna continue and do these side. This big chunk missing there, and the packs come in like little bags like this. Clear on the top. There's little sticks. It's like this big. But with one, I was able to do this part, this big piece there, a little bit there. So it's pretty decent for what it is. That's good about two, because I don't think one will do for the whole thing. But let me continue. I'll show you more or less how it looks a little bit after. I'm gonna try to get these veins done. These little corner here and these little section here. All right, so now see that big piece that was missing there? We molded it. We didn't cover all the cracks, just the cracks that are deep enough that when you lay the suede, it doesn't tuck in, if that makes sense. Came out pretty good. This side, it looks a little bumpy, but it's not really. It's sort of smooth. Obviously it's not 100% smooth, but it's smooth. So you cover the big cracks. This side, we still have to put a little more down here. I think a little more down here. Probably in here just in case, but it looks great. We did it on the edges, on the top. You gotta remember, once you suede wrap it, when you fold it, it'll be a perfect seam. It won't be not straight, in other words. I don't know how to say it. We gotta put a little piece. We have one more little packet to put this little piece here, and yeah, pretty much, and here a little bit more. But it looks great. It's actually, I mean, I wouldn't run it like this on my car without it. I'll definitely do this to wrap it or paint it maybe, but not leave it like this as is. But this really, really, really helps. So then this is first step. Once we get to second step, I'll bring you guys along. We're gonna be gluing it and then wrap it in suede. That should be fun. I would love to see the outcome. All right, guys, so once this cures, we're gonna wrap it. So I use my spray gun, a cheap Harbor Freight gun with my contact cement that I buy in a gallon, 5 gallons actually. And then I just adjust this and actually just glue everything. After that, the suede is over there. I'm stretching it out. So then we just wrap it over. We cut the trims out. Make sure you take the speaker cover off there. Vents are off and whatnot. So then just glue everything and then do the whole thing and wrap it. So now once you lay the glue over the dash, you're gonna focus on the suede, and then you're gonna marry them together and then start trimming, making sure everything fits good. You have to go through the edges, make sure that, you know, when you put the stuff in, it'll sit flush and you won't see anything. So let me do that and I'll bring you back to this. So I laid the suede. Looks really good already. So then now you have to like trace out basically the vents, the speaker, I guess the air vent, I believe it was, right here. And you have to go around and start cutting. Cut with these little scissors, amazing little scissors. Just go around basically making sure you get all the curves. You tuck it in very nicely. So you see how with a little plastic thing, what's it called, screw, it makes it leveled so it's not, you know, ditched in. There's no waves in the suede. It's perfectly smooth. See right here, this is the speaker. Then we'll just cut out here. So we have the speaker somewhere on here, the speaker grill. Just slap it on. I'll include that for whoever gets this. That's just an old speaker, but I believe it doesn't work. Yeah, I don't think it works, but whatever. So yeah, basically you go around the whole thing. Make sure you're in a clean area because this is suede, so it will get dirty unless you want to clean it afterwards. But basically you grab like this, you tuck it in the vents, and then you come back and just cut it nicely. Make sure it goes around all the edges, because if not, you see right here you won't see this part, but still I might end up fixing it. You have to stretch it out more, make sure there's no wrinkles. But overall, it's coming out really, really good. Way better than before. But yeah, you see all the cracks are gone. All you see is now fabric. Here it is, guys. Finished product. So basically, like I told you, go on the edges. Make sure you get the corners good. You go around. This is around the radio. You tuck it in. So when you slide the radio in, it pushes the fabric in. This has to be replaced because I took out some paint, but basically make the cutout for this. Make the cutout for the vents and where the bolts actually bolt up to the car. That's around the steering wheel. That part you won't really see, but still, try to give it your best. This goes around the dash, the airbag's right here. And then this goes around the little glove box. So this is where the other part meets. So it looks really good. This is covered by the steering wheel. Overall, compared to how the dashboard was before, this is really good condition. And now it's even better, and it's suede, so it looks 20 times better. So imagine this in your car. Imagine you seeing it like this. Looks pretty good. Here you guys go. A better view. Looks so good. I'm laying it back in the sun for a little bit. So it looks really good. I'm really happy how it came out. Sad that I don't have the G37, but hopefully I could install it in one of my clients. You'll be able to see a finished product on the actual car. That's it for today's video, guys. Sorry for not posting. Next video will sum up everything that's happened. It's a lot of stuff happened. One of them, the G37, is already gone. For good reason though. And I'll explain everything in the next video. Once again, guys, thank you for all the support. On to the next one.